If you're ready to live an easier, more comfortable lifestyle without losing any convenience to entertainment and the things you need, like work, schools, and grocery, I'd like to introduce you to Saratoga Village in the heart of Plainfield, Indiana. As you can see behind me, we're just getting started, but it won't be long before you can call this one-of-a-kind community home. We had a mission for Saratoga Village to cultivate a new home community that truly provides affordable new home designs suitable for every stage of life. We wanted our new collection of homes to be tucked away in a convenient location that has so much to offer, and Plainfield was the perfect destination for our vision. Future homeowners like you can look forward to owning a brand new home with provided exterior lawn care and snow removal, walking paths, and open space providing room for neighbors to gather. Saratoga Village boasts a prime location just off US 40, close to all the great shopping, dining, and entertainment the area has to offer. If you're anything like me and enjoy a variety of options, I know you'll love living here. Just 3.5 miles away, you'll find the shops at Perry Crossing, where you can spend date nights at Stone Creek Dining and more. Locals also love a sweet treat from Two Chicks Whiskey Business. Make sure to try the cheesecake. Kids and adults alike love making lifelong memories year-round at the Plainfield Recreation and Aquatic Center. Water slides, indoor and outdoor pools, gym, splash pads, and more are sure to satisfy the whole family. If you have a furry family member, you'll love warm weekend afternoons sampling local flavors at the dog-friendly BrewLink Brew Pub, right next to the Oak Tree Golf Course. Speaking of pups, taking care of your best friend is easier than ever. Just a 3-minute walk away, you'll have access to the Vandalia Trail, where walking, biking, and jogging are sure to keep you and your dog active. Or consider the Anytime Fitness for an indoor option. And to top it off, you can complete your errands at the Walmart Neighborhood Market, just actual steps away. The most important goal in our mission for Saratoga Village is you, our future homeowners. Our passion and purpose is to build a beautiful place with innovative design, energy efficiency, and quality construction that you'll love to call home. We take pride in our commitment to working closely with you every step of the way and for years after. Right behind where I'm standing today, beautiful brand new homes are going to take shape. Our interest list members will receive invites, information on floor plans, pricing, and dates we do not share with the general public. More importantly, Saratoga Village will open exclusively to our interest list first before anyone else. So join the list today. Your future self will thank you.